Root Insurance and MetLife Auto, two big names in car insurance, but when it's your money and your car on the line, which one truly offers the best deal? In one corner, Root Insurance shaking up the industry with app-based, usage-driven rates. In the other, MetLife Auto, a long-standing heavyweight trusted by millions. We're leaving the marketing aside, let's look at what matters most. Both will be tested across key categories, racking up points you can see as we go, and the outcome just might surprise you. So here's how we're breaking things down. First off, price, then claims experience, technology and features, coverage options, and finally customer satisfaction. We'll hit each one to really see who comes out on top. Starting with price, Root Insurance really goes all in on their whole usage-based pricing model. Like if you're a safe driver, you could actually see some serious savings. It's all about how you drive instead of just, traditional risk assessments. But real talk, the eligibility is totally app-based. If you don't fit into their criteria, you might not even get a quote. Now, MetLife Auto, on the other hand, is playing the old-school game, traditional risk pricing. But they do offer some nice discounts, especially if you're bundling other policies, and there's a bit of flexibility with payment plans. But the rates, especially if you're a younger driver, tend to be pretty steep. So in terms of price, Root kind of takes the lead here, especially for safe, tech-comfortable drivers. Okay, let's move over to claims experience. Root's all about everything being handled through the app, which sounds convenient, right? You can file and track your claim without any phone calls. And this is a big but, the support can feel a little limited, and there are some not-so-great reviews floating around about their process. Now, MetLife steps in with that classic approach. They've got real-life claims representatives, and you can get support 24/7. Sure, it might be a little slower since you'll probably need to call or email, but honestly, it feels more reassuring if you want that personal touch. So this time, MetLife walks away with the win. Now, for all you tech lovers, Root is like the clear standout here. Their app doesn't just hand you digital ID cards or let you get instant quotes, it actually tracks your driving habits in real time. That's kinda wild. The only thing is, if you want someone in your city to talk through questions with, nope, it's all digital. MetLife's not a complete tech dinosaur, but it's definitely more basic. You can do most things online, there's a mobile app for claims, but the telematics and automation, pretty limited. So yeah, no contest, Root's got the tech edge. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Root actually determines your rates by making you take a test drive using your smartphone. So your actual driving habits matter way more than your age or zip code. And here's a big deal for some folks, coverage options. Root keeps things pretty simple. You get what you need to meet state requirements, and that's about it. Fewer add-ons, and you might not even be able to sign up depending where you live. With MetLife, though, there's just a ton of options, endorsements galore, things like accident forgiveness, rental, towing, all that stuff. Some of it will cost you extra, yeah, the usual upsell, but the flexibility is there. For coverage itself, MetLife definitely gives you more. And last category, customer satisfaction. Root kind of nails the whole smooth onboarding through the app. That's nice, right? But reviews, they're honestly all over the place, plus they're not available everywhere. MetLife, meanwhile, pretty much has trust on its side. They've been around forever and most people seem happy, though it depends on your region. So another win for MetLife here. If you pop all these scores into a chart, you can really see the split. Root takes the tech and price categories, but MetLife kind of sweeps everything else, especially coverage and claims experience. So, which one's right for you? If you're tech-savvy, drive safely, and you're hoping to cut your costs with something new, Root might be worth a look. But if you want broader coverage, that legacy stability, and just having someone you can call, MetLife feels like the safer bet. It really boils down to how much you want to trade old-school comfort for some next-gen savings. If you found this comparison useful, hit that follow or subscribe button, because we've got more honest side-by-side reviews coming your way.